All right, question number 13, refer to the previous two questions. Suppose the marginal propensity to consume is 0.8 and T is 0.7375. The value of the tax multiplier with respect to T naught is. So now it's the same question. So we are going to have the same numbers. So y is going to be equal to small c y minus T naught minus T y plus I plus G. Now for the tax value multiplier, which is T naught, this is going to be equal to, so y is going to be equal to, so if I totally differentiate, dy is going to be equal to c dy minus dt naught minus t dy, and the rest of the terms are going to be 0. So dy will be c into 1 minus t dy minus c dt naught. So this we already found was so 0.8 into 0.625, which was 0.5 dy minus c is 0.8 dt naught. So half dy is going to be equal to 4 by 5 minus 4 by 5 dt naught. So dy by dt naught is going to be equal to minus 4 by 5 into 2. So which is going to be minus 8 by 5. So the only minus answer is minus 1.6. So A is the right answer.